Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kevin, part of KKOA. So today I've got a real special treat for you. Today doing something a little different in our little outdoor adventure that we have for today, or I guess just me for today. I'm actually going to go to storage unit auctions. So I have been buying storage units for many years, and for several years, and have probably bought hundreds and hundreds of units. So this is something that we used to kind of do a lot and do a lot of it before we started doing our travels. And so being in town, decided it'd be a good time to go do the storage unit. So I'm looking pretty excited. I think there's three locations that are actually having auctions today in my area, kind of where I live here in Northwest Arkansas. And so we I keep on saying we, but I'm pretty excited about to see what they have, so and how it goes. So come along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy this adventure with me today. But anyway, all right, let's let the fun and let the games begin. It looks a little yummy. All right, we're here. Let's go ahead and do this. This is the first stop here at Allied Storage. So this is where the first auction is going to be at. Can't wait to see what they got.
Box, I don't think.
If it is, it's very broken.
No, there ain't no TV in that box. All right, here we go. Age 21. Somebody to you. 35, 45, 55, 55, 65, 75, 85, 85, 100, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, 125 to you. How about the 100 here? 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half, 150. You're out, boss. 150. 100 and a quarter. Here to give half it to 1 half it to give 150 just. 175, 175 to you. 100 and a half it to give 175, but to give 160. 160 help you? 100 and a half, 160. 100 and a half but to give 160, but to give 160. So the last call down we go, but to give 160, y'all done 150, but to give 160. Sold at $150 right here.
Well, these first couple units went pretty cheap, so never got a chance to get it. I kind of got to this auction a little late. They've got 4 units that they're actually got going on, and so I kind of got here a little bit late, so we're on the last one. I think the first couple only went for $20 or $15 or something, so yeah, we'll see how it goes.
95, 105, 115, 100 and a quarter. 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter to get 125, 100 and a quarter, 135, 145, 145, 155, but you get 155, but you get 155, 145, but you get 155, 155, 145, here, but you get 155, but you get 155.
Is that a gun case?
Glass.
155, 155, 155, but you get 155, but you get 155, 165. $165, 165. You want me to go see if there's something in that case?
Yeah.
165, 155, to get 165, 175, 175, 175, 185, 185, to get 185, $185, $175, 185, 180, 185, 190, 190. You cut me, you got a bit twice. Off the rules. 190, 185, to get 190. Last call down, we go. What do you get? 190. Sold at $185.
Well, the first one was kind of a bust. There was a couple units went kind of cheap, but of course I got there a little too late. The last couple units went a little spendy, a little pricey, a little bit kind of not what I was looking for out of my price range. But still a good time. You know, you never know what you're going to find. So we are up here in Fayetteville at the Allied Storage, so ready to go on to the next location.
All right, real quickly, thanks for coming. We appreciate you being here. You know the drill. Personal effects, photographs, birth certificates, bring them back. They'll try to give them back to the family. You've got till Sunday at 8 p.m. to get the units emptied out. Sunday at 8. They've got people waiting on them. Manual labor if y'all are into that.
3 Walmart bikes.
I know if I had one, it would
washer and dryer.
Well, this unit looks a little yummy. I think I'm going to bid on it. You know me, I like to washer dryers and bikes, so we'll see if I can get it pretty cheap. So we'll see how it goes.
Here we go, unit D3. You tell me, what do you want to give for it? Somebody give, what do you say, 300 to go? What do you give 350? Somebody give 200. Somebody give a $100 bill. 100, now half. How about 100 here? Would you give half? Half would you give 1 1/4? 125 to you. $100 here. Would you give 1 1/4? You give 110. $100 here. Would you give 10? 10. Would you give 10? 10. 120. 130. 130 Augustine. 130. 140. 140. 100 and a half. 150 to you, Augustine. Would you give 100 and a half? Would you give 150? 100 and a half. 140 and a half to you. 140 here. Would you give half? Half would you give half? Half would you give 1 and a half? Would you give 150? Down we go. Would you give 100 and a half? Last call. Sold it. $140 right here. Kevin got that one.
All right. All right, sweet. So now I get a unit to kind of go through. We'll see how it goes. I think it has some pretty good stuff. Looks like easy clean out. That's kind of like what I like to do, but hey, let's do it again.
70, 270 last call, down we go. What do you get? 270, 280, 280 Bobby, 280, 290 Rick, 290, what do you get? 290, what do you get? 290 Rick, what do you get? 290, $280 here and 290 last call. Y'all done? What do you get? 290? Sold at $280 right here, Bobby.
All right, Bobby.
200. I'll make it easy. I've got 500, 600 to you. 500 here. What do you get? 600. What do you get? $600 for everything in there. 600, 500, 600 to you. 500. What do you get? 600. Money's on now. What do you get? 600, 600, 700. You're out, wise guy. 700 to you. 600, 700. What do you get? 7, 7. What do you get? 7, 7. What do you get? 700. 700 your way. 600, 700. 6.5, 700. 6.5 here, what do you get? 7, 7, what do you get? 7, 7, what do you get? 700, what do you get? 675. 6.5, what do you get? 675. Chuck, can I sell it? Hey, Bobby, what do you get? 675 one time. 6.5, what do you get? 675. Last call, down we go. You want in, Mike? Sell it, $650. You can. 650 to you can.
Hey, Rick, what was the name of your YouTube channel?
Lucky Lockers.
Lucky Lockers.
Yep.
All right. Well, cool. Rick's been doing this for a long time, so go ahead and check out Rick's YouTube channel, Lucky Lockers.
75, 175, 100 and a half here, but you get 175, 5, but you get 175, 100 and a half. I'm sorry, I'm with you at 100 and a half. 175, 200. 200, 175 here, what do you get? 2, 2, what do you get? 2, 2, what do you get? 200, 175 here, what do you get? 2, 2, what do you get? 200, Bobby, you want in, what do you get? 200, 185 help you, 185, what do you get? 185, 175, what do you get? 185, sold it to Rick, $175 right there.
All right, looks like I scored my first locker for today, so this is gonna be quite interesting. It's a little bit on the hot side today. It's in the 90s, mid 90s, and humid. It's only getting hotter, but we're gonna come later and probably when it cools off in the evening and come by and start processing. But off to the next auction. See how we do there.
30 last call, down we go. What do you get? 130, 130. Sell it $120. Happy to get 5.5. Happy to get 550. Sold it $500. Augustine.
Well, I guess only the boat and the truck is what they had here. So here at the storage unit here in Lowell, but they're going to have more units and everything else on the end of the month on the 28th. So, well, I guess now it's time to go see the goodies that we find and find the buried treasures. Okay, looks like I brought the family back this time because needed some helpers, and so we're ready to go through and open this locker that we got. It's also a little cooler. Decided to come here in the evening and do this because it was extremely hot today and didn't feel like sitting out here in the heat. But let's see what we got and come along. Okay, this is the first time seeing this. You ready?
No, yeah.
Ready to do this? Is the best part. This is like Christmas.
It's tiny, so it's...
Christmas and moving day all in one time. Here we go.
Ooh. I thought that was...
All right.
Whoa.
What do you think?
Okay.
Pretty good, huh?
Hey, that bike looks good.
You got, babe.
Oh my gosh, there's a rocking horse. There is? And a lantern. And a big pot for our tree in our sunroom. Whoa, look at the fridge. What? Really? Yes, look at way back there. There's a baby rocking horse, a lantern, some pots. There's this, I don't know, sunbeam. It's cracked, it looks like, but Oh yeah, we got some clippers. I don't know what they are.
You happy?
Oh my gosh, tons of little pots. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's for the selling part. A bike that we're gonna sell. It's $2.50.
Should I try ride it?
You got a flat tire. That's a hydraulic jack.
It's a hydraulic jack.
What is that?
I don't know, like pump up a car.
Oh.
Jack up a car.
Lame. Who's that coffee pot?
Here, take this.
Post hole digger. There you go, that's $20. Ooh, that's good for camping.
What is this? This is what I'm curious about. Look at this.
That's how you skin a catfish.
Is it serious?
Yes.
Yuck.
Well, you put a fish on it.
You clip the fish's head right here.
Ooh.
Right there. Or your tail. You clip its tail.
Y'all look.
What's that? What is that?
A map.
Oh my god!
Oh my Lantis, that's awesome.
Perfect timing for
I
back to
wanted
school
it
year.
It's amazing the simple things we get excited about.
See, look at this Christmas.
Trying to get to? Well, baby, let's
No, it could fall. Like, look it.
Oh, that's an old.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a working one. I think it's more of decoration.
These pans are kick butt.
Oh, they are.
There's tools in there too. Okay.
Nathan said he called dibs on the tools.
Who?
Because I have
Oh.
a toolbox.
Okay.
I'll put this safe and sound. Go camping.
What's that? Somebody's
First
lunchbox?
aid. No.
First aid kit? Emergency
Jumper cables.
roadside kit?
Okay, take this out. There's games and stuff in here. You got the Sudoku game, y'all.
Sudoku.
Crop Fiction.
Oh, board games. Okay, we'll just leave all the toad, I guess.
Well, there's stuff in here. No?
I'm saying just take the whole.
Okay, Autumn, grab this.
Seems pretty heavy.
Hey, that little rocking horse thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
It
That would
looks.
probably go for
It could go for $100 if you do
I don't
it
know.
hard.
50, 100.
Because
yeah,
they don't
40
sell.
$40 easily.
Those. You know
Looks
what?
like it's in good
actually
condition, don't it?
Oh yeah, pure wood.
Yeah, solid wood. Clean it up.
Doesn't pure wood a horse?
Yeah, I think that would actually sell pretty good.
Okay,
I think
40 50
that-
bucks. Hey, take the rocking horse out, Nathan.
ready? Got it?
No.
Okay.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, Nathan's got it.
Hold on. I got it.
All right, are there tools in it, Toad?
Oh my gosh,
There's a globe.
that's a globe. It's like a kid's.
A kid's globe,
No, it's like a kid's toy box.
foot locker,
Yeah, like his stuff.
collectible.
Oh my Lantas. A little globe. I don't know what this is. Autumn, do you want to open that?
It seems empty.
Oh, pet
I
carrier.
think maybe it's that or it's a lunchbox for school.
Yeah, it could be a lunchbox.
Baseball glove.
This is a boy.
This is like his little foot locker.
Looks like okay.
Ooh, what's in that box? Hey, hold on. Wait, what did we find? Ooh, that's a big secret box.
I don't know. Can't open it.
Okay. 1977,
There's a key.
and it says on it. Sounds pretty loaded, full of
Money.
collectibles.
Oh my gosh.
Trains. Is that an old Lionel train? Just say Lionel.
Yes. Lionel.
Well, this box.
Is it right?
Maybe we found a good find.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on,
my
hold on.
God.
Watch out, Nate. Watch out, Nate. Oh, shut up.
Oh my gosh.
That is like
Oh my gosh.
super old. Like he had when he was a kid.
My dad, yeah.
This is like a kid's
Wow.
box.
No, this is like this guy had this.
Yeah, but it's really rusted and gross
That's what
down
I'm
in
saying.
here.
I'm
know.
saying it's
Should
like
we clean it up before we bring it home?
Maybe.
Okay. Let's bring it out so breathing.
Okay.
So we can actually see. It's probably really heavy.
All right, we got her unloaded.
Yep.
Did it in kind of record time.
Yep.
So all we got left is the trash that's in there, and we got our truck loaded. So had the washer and dryer, the bikes. It don't look like a whole lot of stuff, but there's definitely, we can't wait to see that little box and that find. What we're gonna have. So that's
gonna be a whole new thing.
I know we're gonna.
Like, what is inside the mystery box?
The mystery box. There could be some
Could there
gold.
be $1,000 in
Sounds like there may be some coins or something in there.
something really valuable?
Yeah, but I'm excited about that little rocking horse right behind you. So that dude, we'll get him cleaned up, and that'll be worth some money. So, all right, we are heading to the house. Right, here we are, the moment of truth. As you know, we got this little box right here. Don't really know. It's kind of locked, so we're going to attempt to bust this dude open. So, what do you think's in it? Is there any gold, any coins? I don't know. We'll wait to see, wait to find out. Hopefully we can get her open. Well, that was easy. All right, here we go. That's the moment of truth. Dun dun dun. Really? This is what was in a locked box. Are you kidding me?
maybe it wasn't locked.
Junkie. He got some craft supply.
Why? I thought there was gonna be something at least good.
I did too. Looks like some model paints. The guy painted some model cars, and they're all probably all dried out. So, well, that's kind of how the cookie crumbles. So, hope you enjoyed the mystery on this mystery box too, like I did.
Sad little box.